One Kling AI, the Chinese sensation taking the world by storm, wasted it now too. Runway, unleash your creativity with advanced AI tools. Try it now. 3. Pictory, streamlined video creation for content marketers. Try it now. 4. Luma AI, 3D magic from 2D images. Try it now. 5. Vidu AI, effortless video creation for social media. Try it now. 6. Vidu, AI-powered video editing made simple. Try it now. 7. Simplified AI, all-in-one content creation platform. Try it now. 8. InVideo, professional-grade videos for every creator. Try it now. 9. Vidu, AI-powered video creation for businesses. Try it now. 10. High versatile AI image and video generation. Try it now. Transform your static images into captivating videos with the latest AI image-to-video generators. For more information on features, pros and cons, and additional insights, check out our article here.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more exciting content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when new videos are uploaded. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Your support means a lot, so thank you once again.